Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nadia. Thank you so much for tuning in and happy new year to everybody. I hope everybody is having a wonderful new year so far. As you can read on the title, I'm going to show you guys how to install your wigs like a pro. Okay, so all you need is to follow these steps, watch carefully what I'm doing, and you'll be able to install your wig by yourself too. You don't need to pay anymore. This is the video for you. So everything that I'm using in this video is gonna be in the description below. If you don't have this glue that I'm using, you can use your Got2b spray or the glue. It works the same thing. The main purpose of this video is to teach you how to install the wig. So work in sections. Make sure one section is a little bit tacky before you add your lace on it or your glue. Okay, before you add the next glue, make sure the first glue is clear and tacky. Then you add the next one. I am gonna do this 2 times. I'm gonna add the glue 2 times before I lay my lace down. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Enjoy this quick video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment in the description below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Keep watching.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights, paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights, paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move. You by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. I feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.